Hello students, welcome to the channel Edifying Kids. Today we are going to learn English of class 7th, unit 2, 2.7 Great Scientist. Students, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now and do share with your friends so that you will get regular notifications. Now in this video we are going to discuss question and answers of this chapter. Now just see first question. What were the odds against Faraday in his childhood? Answer. Faraday was born into a poverty-stricken family in a dirty London suburb. He suffered from a speech defect as a child. Other children laughed at him and the teachers did not help him either. When he was 12, his mother took him out of school. Thus his formal education ended. Next question. Why do you think Faraday's friend gave him a free ticket to Davy's program? Answer. Davy's work was on chemicals and electrical lightning. Faraday's friend probably knew about his fascination for the subject of electricity. Hence he felt that Faraday would be interested and gave him a free ticket to Davy's program. What was subject of Davy's lecture? Answer. The subject of Davy's lecture was the mysterious force of electric fluid. What actions and thoughts of Faraday show that he was inspired by Davy? Answer. The actions and thoughts of Faraday that show that he was inspired by Davy are: Faraday was spellbound during Davy's lecture. He kept taking notes during the lecture. He forgot to upload. He bound his notes into a book, meaning to gift it to Davy someday. He decided that he did not want to sell books but write his own books. He tried to make Davy his mentor. Now next question. Why did Davy choose Faraday as his secretary? Answer. A chemical explosion took place in Davy's lab and he was temporarily blinded. He now needed an assistant with an excellent memory to help him. He was reminded of Faraday's capabilities and decided to hire him as his secretary. Was Davy fair in his treatment of Faraday? No. Davy was never fair in his treatment of Faraday. He dismissed Faraday's aspirations and advised him to stick to bookbinding. Now next. How did Faraday respond to the treatment? Answer. Faraday was a persistent in his efforts. He worked day and night and learned as much as he could about Davy's experiments. He was promoted and became a lab assistant. And even though much of his job now was just cleaning labs, he was not discouraged or frustrated. He was happy that he was still getting a chance to see Davy's leading experiments. What happens when an electric current is applied to a wire? Answer. When an electric current is applied to a wire, it causes that wire to behave like a magnet. Now next question. Give one example to show that Faraday was a good pupil and Davy was not a good mentor. Now answer is Faraday was a good pupil. Example is that Faraday was a good pupil because he solved the problem that Davy, his mentor, could not. Now next. Davy was not a good mentor because he mocked Faraday and was also jealous of him later on. Next question. An induction motor is a commonly used electrical machine. What examples of its use are given here? Answer. Examples of the use of the induction motor: fans, air conditioning, sewing machines, photographs, power tools, cars, trains, aeroplane engines, etc. Write the idea behind an electrical generator. Answer. If a magnet is moved, it can produce an electrical current, thus converting the motion into electricity. This is the idea behind an electrical generator. This electrical generator can generate all kinds of power. Why were Faraday's drawings not accepted? Answer. Faraday's drawings were not accepted because he was unable to explain them in the form of mathematical equations, which was necessary. Does it mean they were wrong? Answer. No, they were not wrong, but without the mathematical equations they were incomplete. Now just see the next question. What is the meaning of reading became his obsession? Answer. Reading became his obsession. He could think of nothing but reading all the time. Now next, electricity became a lifelong fascination, meaning he was tremendously interested in electricity throughout his life. Mentor, meaning is guide or advisor. Now students, these were the question answers, in the middle question answers, intake question answers. Now we'll see the language study, okay, English workshop. Write what is implied in the following sentences. But few know his inspirational life story, which is all about courage and fighting against the odds. What does it tell you about Faraday's life? Answer. It tells us that Faraday's life was very difficult. He did not get things easily, but had to face many difficulties. He had to work hard, fight frustration and discouragement to achieve his ambitions. Now next question, same question is there. Write what is implies in the following sentence. Even then, David did not have much hope for Faraday. What do the words even then suggest? Answer. The words even then suggest that in spite of Faraday's hard work and obvious capabilities and intelligence, Davy believed that Faraday could not do anything in the field of science because of his social status and education. Next, people started telling Davy that all his discoveries, the best was Faraday himself. What does this suggest about Davy's work? Answer. This suggests that Davy's work was not very good or impressive. Now grammar portion we'll see. Here children, we are going to study the subject and predicate. Okay. Now first we'll see the underline the subject in each of the following sentence. Now your sentences are given. Most of my life has been spent in this town. Now we are going to underline the subject. Which is the subject? Most of my life. He kept taking notes about the mysterious force of electric fluid. Now which is the subject here? He, H-E, he. A chemical explosion happened inside Davy's lab. Answer is a chemical explosion. This is the subject. Electronic and communication systems today are designed around their discoveries. Electronic and communication systems today. This is the subject. We might even be able to communicate with the aliens across different galaxies. Subject is we. Now second question, underline the predicate in each of the following. Here 5 sentences are given. We are going to underline the predicate. Destiny had a strange plan in store for him. Had a strange plan in store for him. The induction motor spurred a revolution. Spurred a revolution, which is the predicate. The same work enabled Thomas Edison to produce the first consistent light bulb. Enable Thomas Edison to produce a first consistent light bulb. It is the predicate. Now fourth one, Faraday succeeded him as a head of the laboratory. Succeeded him as the head of the laboratory. And last one, he was unable to explain them in the form of mathematical equations. Was unable to explain them in the form of mathematical equations. It is the predicate. Now when you see the first 5 sentences and now downside 5 sentences, we come to know that subject means it is a noun or the pronoun, and predicate starts from the verb. Okay, it is a predicate. So students, subject and predicate, for more understanding you can watch our another video of subject and predicate.